Hey, so my name is Timothy. I'm a student at the U of A pursuing a Bachelor of Science, and I'm a contestant on this season of the Great Canadian Baking Show. I'm here to bring a couple of baking tips to you today. So the number one thing I would recommend any amateur baker to get invested in is a kitchen scale. You really want to be precise. You want to go with weight measurements rather than volumetric. This not only saves you on extra dishes to clean up, but also makes sure that you get consistent results across bakes. So a lot of recipes state the ingredients should be at room temperature before you start baking. And this is actually a really important detail that shouldn't be skipped off. With eggs, you can submerge it in a cup of warm water and it'll be room temperature in just a couple minutes. So it's really important not to overmix or undermix your batter. Make sure to mix just until the flour is absorbed by the batter. If you overmix, the flour will develop excessive gluten and you're going to have tough cakes, cookies, and muffins, and you never want that. So another really important thing to do when baking is to always preheat your oven. The last thing you want to do is dive and put your food into the oven when it's too cold or too warm. Putting a warm pastry dough into the oven when it's fairly cold will not pop up your pastry, it'll just melt the butter right out. It's really important to preheat your oven before your bake's ready. And whenever you're looking at trying out a new recipe, don't be afraid to make it your own. There are a lot of flavor charts online that you can look to see if certain flavors go together. So you can put different things that you like into one bake to personalize it and make it your own. So those are 5 tips to make sure that every single one of your bakes in the future will be absolutely